Before buying shoes for Zumba, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you. Many options look great, but they can actually hinder your moves on carpet. Let's dig deeper into the best choices that keep you comfortable and agile. Product number 1, Over Sneaker Socks by the Dance Socks. First up, we've got the original Over Sneaker Socks from the Dance Socks, priced at $18.99. What really caught my attention is their unique proprietary yarn designed specifically for dance. If you want a smooth experience while dancing on carpet, this is worth a serious look. These socks aren't just cute, they're functional. Plus, they're color-matched to your favorite shoes, and the color-fast dyes won't stain your sneakers or carpet, which is a big deal. With a solid 4.6-star rating from over 2,700 reviews, here's why this matters for you specifically. They create a barrier that allows you to glide smoothly without the worry of damaging your floor or footwear. Now, some people complained about them being a bit tight, especially if you have larger feet. Here's the thing though, for most users, stretching them a bit before wearing solves this issue. They fit sizes up to 14, so if you're around that range, just give them a little love. This is perfect for you if you love unique dance styles or want to protect your sneakers while doing Zumba. Skip this one if you prefer a traditional shoe feel instead of a sock. Now, if the snug fit bothered you, this next product takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Dance Shoe Covers by Heysendi. Next, we have the dance shoe covers from Heysendi, priced at just $8.99. These little gems caught my eye because they come in 8 pairs. If you're looking for something economical that gets the job done, this is definitely worth considering. These covers aren't just for looks, they're designed to make your Zumba sessions more enjoyable. Made from a durable fabric, they provide excellent elasticity, meaning you won't have to worry about them tearing during your spins. They're also perfect for a variety of dance styles, including Zumba, so you can focus on your moves instead of your shoes. Plus, with a 4.4-star rating from 1,300 reviews, you know they're well loved. Here's why this matters for you. These covers reduce stress on your joints, making it easier to pivot and spin without risking injury. However, some users mention that they don't fit well on bulkier shoes. But honestly, if you're wearing standard sneakers, they should fit just fine. If you're looking for something lightweight and portable, they check all the boxes. This is perfect for you if you're a fan of variety in your workouts and want multiple options. Skip this one if you need extra support and cushioning for your feet. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for stability. Product number 3, PS Athletic Shoe Covers. Our third pick is the PS Athletic Shoe Covers, retailing at $17.99. What stood out to me is their design aimed specifically for smooth pivots and turns, making them ideal for Zumba on carpet. If you want to dance like nobody's watching without slipping, these are definitely worth your time. These covers are made from a nylon poly blend that allows you to glide seamlessly across any surface, reducing strain on your knees and hips. They fit easily over most sneaker sizes, and with a 4.3-star rating from 1,100 reviews, here's why this matters. You can practice your dance moves without worrying about your shoes holding you back. They're compact and easy to carry around, which is a big plus. However, some users found them to be a bit slippery for beginners. Honestly, while this might be an adjustment, once you get the hang of it, they really enhance your dancing experience. This is perfect for you if you want something portable that you can take anywhere. Skip this one if you prefer a more secure shoe feel. Now, if you want something a bit more structured, let's talk about our next product. Product number 4, Women's Jazz Shoes by Slow Man. Next up is the Women's Jazz Shoes from Slow Man, priced at $40.99. What really drew my attention is the breathable mesh material, which is crucial when you're working up a sweat during Zumba. If comfort and style are what you crave, take a closer look at these. These shoes feature a padded collar and arch support, making them suitable for those long dance sessions. The slip-on design and lightweight structure mean you won't feel weighed down. Plus, with a 4.1-star rating from over 6,500 reviews, here's why this matters. They provide excellent traction and durability, ensuring you can dance confidently on carpet. The platform sole gives you just the right amount of bounce too, which is great for those high-energy moves. Now, some people found that the sizing runs a bit small, especially for wider feet. Here's the thing though, if you order a half size up, you should be just fine. They really shine when it comes to flexibility. This is perfect for you if you're serious about your Zumba workouts and want a shoe that can keep up. Skip this one if you have wider feet and need more room to breathe. Alright, this next option might suit you better if you want something a bit more stylish. Product number 5, Capsio Women's Studio Shoes. Finally, we have the Capsio Women's Studio Shoes priced at $65.50. What caught my eye is the split-sole design, which provides excellent flexibility for intricate dance moves. If you want to combine style and function, this is worth your attention. Made with breathable materials and featuring a cushioned footbed, these shoes help you stay comfortable during your Zumba class. The non-marking outsole won't leave marks on your carpet, and the 4.2-star rating from 1,700 reviews speaks volumes about their performance. Here's why this matters for you. The padded tongue and collar add extra comfort, making them ideal for longer wear. Some users mentioned that these shoes tend to run narrow, which could be uncomfortable for some. But honestly, if you're someone who prefers a snug fit, you'll appreciate the extra support in these shoes. This is perfect for you if you value style and performance in your dance shoes. Skip this one if you need a wider option. To wrap it up, we've seen some fantastic options today. The over-sneaker socks for flexibility, the economical dance shoe covers, the versatile PS athletic covers, the breathable women's jazz shoes, and the stylish Capsio Studio shoes. Each of these products addresses specific needs, so choose the one that fits your Zumba style best. Product number 6, Best Pick. To wrap it up, we've seen some fantastic options today. The over-sneaker socks for flexibility, the economical dance shoe covers, the versatile PS athletic covers, the breathable women's jazz shoes, and the stylish Capsio Studio shoes. Each of these products addresses specific needs, so choose the one that fits your Zumba style best. Happy dancing!